Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm kind of bringing you something a little different today. The one thing that I'm always frustrated about as I'm about to work out is what the hell do I do with my hair? So I thought I'd bring you a little collection of the best hairstyles that are so quick, so easy. I hope you enjoy this. Before we do get into it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe down below, and let's just get straight into it. So this one is super quick and easy, and I always find that it helps keep my hair out of my face because I have a lot of baby hairs that always stick out, especially when I get sweaty and they're just all over my face. So with this one, you grab, so I've got my hair in my parting, so you grab a front section and twist and leave it like that. Grab another section from the front, add it, so you've got kind of like that, and twist again, so you've got one piece. Add another section and twist, and you just keep adding and twisting and adding and twisting. So then once I get to the bottom, just stick a good old scrunchie in it. Make sure it's nice and tight, otherwise this will come loose. And there you have a cute little twisty side braid. Now if you're doing this for fashion purposes, a lot of people do pull out their baby hairs, which completely defeats the object of what I just said. But this is so cute, and I think it looks so cute as well. You can actually do it on the other side as well, but it's completely up to you. Another one that is really good is, once you've done this, just grab another scrunchie. Yes, I have a lot. And so, if you are going to do this though, I would recommend replacing the scrunchie with a bobble, just because you're going to then maybe put another scrunchie on top of another scrunchie, and that might look stupid. So, just get it and twist. And twist it all the way to the bottom, not too tight, and then just wrap it round like a circle and make sure that end piece is really tucked under. Grab your scrunchie, pull it around the whole thing, and there you go, you have like a little side bun. So this next one is one of my all-time favourites. It's such a chic look. So you start off by brushing all of your hair back. Now I always like to do the thing where you actually flip your head and just make sure that all of your sections are smooth. Go ahead and tie it. I don't know why I need to tell you all how to tie a ponytail, I'm sure you all know. So with this one, I'm just going to add this scrunchie. Now, I'm really sorry if you don't have scrunchies. I get a lot of mine from a lot of different places. Primark, Zaful, Shein, Topshop. So you can obviously just leave that like that. But what I love doing is dividing it into 3 and then just doing a basic braid. So if you don't know how to do a basic braid, so you've got an outer section, a middle section, and another outer section. So your outer goes underneath your middle, and then the other goes underneath the middle. And literally just head all the way down. So instead of having a massive thick bobble, I actually like to use the little hair elastics. Now these are £1 from Poundland. I usually do get them from Primark because you do actually get 500 for £1, I think. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. And there you have it. Oh my gosh, what the heck is that? So the next one is the Molly May bun. So I literally, so you tip your head up, so you've got all your hair like that. You then pull that section around the front, grab it from around the back, and again and again and again. Running and running and running. Literally. I mean, she looks a lot better than I do. Expectation versus reality, but we'll roll with it. So this next one is another one of my favourites. It looks super cute, and people tell me I actually look like Emma Bunton from Spice Girls when I wear my hair like this. So we're going to do what we did earlier. As you can see, my hair is in the parting. We're just going to twist and grab another section and just work your way all the way down, but instead of doing it across, try and do it down like you would. Sometimes people do that with braids. It kind of does look like a braid, but just a lot easier. And so just tie it at the bottom and repeat for the other side. Stars shining bright above you. Breezes seem to whisper. And again, you just want to gonna hold it tight and tie it quite tight as well, just to keep the twists in. And so I'm gonna add some little scrunchies because I'm scrunchie obsessed. And it just means that you can, like, you know, work out and bop it out. And another one is the classic braid. Usually though, I like to do mine on a side. So you got your 3 sections. Your outer section goes underneath your middle section, then your inner section here goes underneath your middle section, and you just repeat that all the way down. Honestly, once you get the hang of how to do a braid, or then how to do like a French or a Dutch braid, honestly, don't tell people about it, because once people know that you know how to braid hair, you'll be braiding hair for the rest of your life. And so with this one, I don't really like to go to the complete end of my hair. I usually like to leave a little bit of it out, just because I do have some curls at the end, and I just think that it makes it look so cute. And boom, literally as easy as that. So I'm going to try and explain this next one as best as I can. So you want your hair in the parting. Let me zoom in for this. So you want to grab a really small section of the hair, put it into 3, so you have 3 sections. You want to put this outer section underneath your middle one, and again put this outer one underneath the middle one. Then you end up looking like that. Then want to add a little bit of hair to this one, and add a little bit of hair to your outside one as well, and just do the exact same. So the outer to the middle and the outer to the middle again, and again add some more hair. So the outer to the middle, outer to the middle again, pull tight and add some more hair. You want to make sure that as you are doing it, you're just keeping all your hair flat and smooth, just to avoid getting any bumps. And try and scoop your hair, make sure that the sections are equal. And so once I reach there, I just braid it for a little bit more and then add a little tie to it. And so then what you can do with this is scoop it back and add a hair bobble or scrunchie like I do. I just love scrunchies so much more than bobbles. So this next one is one that I don't actually wear all that often. It's more as when I'm around the house, because I don't know. But I definitely recommend that you use scrunchies, just as they are thicker and I find that they hold a lot more than bobbles. So you're going to want to put your hair in 2, and got to make sure that you tie this section off, otherwise you will end up pulling hair from this section into the next section. So if you remember earlier how I told you about the bun, when you hold it and wrap around, you're pretty much just doing the same for this. So get it all so it's flat, doesn't have to be, you know, perfect. Grab from around the back like that, open up your fingers and just wrap round and grab. Now I'm sure there are better methods of doing this, but I just find that this one works so much easier because it literally takes 30 seconds. And boom, you have a space bun. Literally exactly the same for the next side. Grab. Now which one did I grab it with? This one. And boom, you can't even tell that they're in my hair. So honestly, there are so many. Hello Smoochies, come here. You want to say hi? Hello. There are so many different hairstyles that you can do for when working out. It's just for me, they have to be tight. Like my hair has to be tight. I don't like it being loose. What are you doing? Oh, oh, oh. Crusher.
Hey guys, so Katrina's pretty boring and I thought my hair looks better than hers.
Yeah, so there are so many different hairstyles that you can do. You know, you've got the low bun, the high ponytail, but those were just a couple that I regularly use and thought you guys might enjoy. So I really hope you did enjoy it. It was something kind of different, but I love watching these kind of videos, you know, how-tos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video.